Good morning, everybody, and welcome to da 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 da. All right, and with that rousing tune from one of my favorite clients, of course, all my clients are my favorite clients. It's time for Option Pit, the morning vol report. This is Andrew Giovinazzi, Chief Operating Officer of OptionPit.com. Look at the European rally. That's one of my pros here. I guess things aren't so bad in Euroland. 1 minute ago, did they settle something? Good blog by Mark here, basically saying I like to own SPY calls. Great call, SPY up this morning. We closed a little bit of short delta yesterday in our positions. We'll see what happens today. I think the sell-off yesterday was mostly what? Greece euro related. They're going down to the wire. The government and the ECB. We'll see what happens today. But I think we've got, anyway, so Mark, what he said yesterday I thought was very useful in that, and one thing we teach here, it's not just how the volatility moves, but it's the quality of the move. So, VIX got marked up on, there's some weekend, there's a 3-day weekend, so that was a good chunk of the move yesterday. There was another 1-point move up, but the difference in the VIX futures from, if we do like the historical, I believe if I do this one, and right, and we're gonna get, let's get today's date here. 15 May, if we do, this was Friday, all right, and we're gonna add multiple dates per graph. Okay, and we're gonna get this one, okay. This was Friday, of course I don't like that, October, ignore the 2008, but anyway, we have Friday, now we're gonna add today, right? So the idea is basically, oh, this thing is totally distorting my chart. So this is not going to help me. So let's just go back to what we've got. Basically, what happened? We had $2.50 of premium or $2.25 in premium. Futures were staying elevated around the 15 handle the front month because of what could happen in Greece. So the futures stayed there, and the cash went and moved around all over the place. Yep. All right. And of course, that will cause, maybe we get back to where we were. Simple enough, right? So, right, most of the press mentioned the rate hike, but I don't think anybody on this planet does not think that the Fed is going to raise by 25 basis points, either this year, at the end of this year or the beginning of next year. It's just what's going to happen. I cannot predict what is going to happen in an hour. However, what you have is, I have the VXX is down 52 cents, so those futures are sliding down. The cash VIX is down 55 cents, sliding down to 13.5. Okay, so you're seeing a little bit of the air come out. What's going to happen? This future is going to hang around the near the 15 level, and it will slowly leak out. So you're not going to see a whole lot of movement, right? Definitely downward movement, but it's not going to come crashing down to this cash line. So it's from a vol point of view, we should start to see some softer vol and again, softer vol with a little bit of a rally. That could be what? Upside butterflies, trades like that, where we could see a little snapback from the sell-off we had yesterday. And whatever vestiges of vol we had, right, the vol product's probably going to just keep trending lower if the news continues as we see. All right? So with that, what looks interesting? I like to look at a trade today in McDonald's in our chat. Also here, let's just take a look at the futures live as we go down. As yesterday we saw a lot of red, today we're seeing quite a bit of green. Okay. Again, notice the futures with the VIX down here, futures barely moving, really waiting, right? They're going to lag now, right? The cash should drop a little bit more, and the futures are going to lag a little bit and slowly work their way down if we have a positive result. As far as trades go, I think anything that where you sell the upside volatility, like a fly, something like that, could work very well. And as far as that goes, that's about all I have for today, except for our boot camp, which is filling up fast, actually. Go to events. And again, anybody option pit, I believe. Oh, that's our Pro Trader Summit. But anybody that is, I believe, option pit live or above, boot camp is for free. Okay, boot camp is free. If you have any questions, let me know. But the links will just be on our schedule. Here's my schedule, right? And then off you go, right? The links will be here for a normal schedule, and then you'll be able to enter boot camp last week. All right. All right, everybody. Have a good day. I'll see you in the chat today. Mark is out. He is traveling to the great state of Wisconsin. All right, everybody.